Thursday, welcome back. It's been a long day at work. Yeah, been a long day at work. Just one of those days of just, God, it went quick, but then, well, it didn't go quick because you then get grabbed at the last minute to do more stuff. So I'm a bit knackered, tea and stuff, and it's one of those things, should I go out and stuff? But you guys make me come out, which is good. So even if we get something done. So yeah, let's pop some more lights on. We'll do that. And then we'll just finish off some of these subframe mounts, I think. And then we bought the big can of filler in. I feel like just filler in something, putting a bit of filler in something. So that's what we do. But let's get bolt the subframe mounts on just for now, just a bit temporary, just so I don't lose them. And we'll go from there. So we sort of slap some paint on these mounts. M pins, that'll do. So yeah, we've got these. Go on like that, and as I said, I'm going to put the tall one, the high mount at the top. Let's clean the owl up a bit. Before I bolt this one in, I've just realised I've got to get this stud out. So let's get this stud out, which I should have done ages ago, but that's my fault. Hey, the Mk1. Yes. Power. Let's let that cool down now. I said I was going to do some filling, but while I've got the weld on, as you can just see down there, I tried welding up the other while I had the roof off, but still not perfect. I've got a few little holes, just rust holes. So what I'll do is I'll try and weld them up as much as I can, grind them off, and then that can be definitely a piece where we put a bit of filler in later. So yeah, let's try and do that. Well, that was a bit of a ball ache. Ugh. That had to be done. Should have done it ages ago, as always. Could have done with just sort of not replacing that bit for strength, just easier than just bloody sometimes just doing loads of little holes. But yeah, got the bulk of them filled up. I'm going to put a little bit of filler on it, which I think we've run out of time for tonight. We can mix it a little bit out, can we actually? What's the time? Sorry, just having a bit of a beer. Yeah, let's get a bit of extra primer on that. There we go. Ain't too bad if you zoom in and from a distance, is it? Yeah, that'll do. Bit of fill on that later. Pretty lovely. Back to the subframe mount. Let's turn that off. I can't be bothered to show you the gas mark. It's way in the corner. Oh, I might be able to actually, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Off. It's in between the 2000 and 3000 mark. There you go. So we've got our pin, put a bit of copper grease on it. Big one at the top of the subframe because then it's a bit closer to the panel on the back. Oh, I wasn't going to. I'm going to mix up a bit of filler, just a tiny bit. As I always say, a golf ball of filler and a pea of hardener. Mix it two together. Plenty of other YouTube videos out there to get it correct. Again, you mostly should double check the instructions of your correct filler. When it's a hot day, you don't need as much hardener because it goes off down quick. And when it's cold, sometimes you need a bit more filler. Never used this filler before. Again, HB body. I'm just going with all their stuff just because I talked to the guy. And yeah, so I won't need much. I'm only going to do that little bit. It's way too much anyway. Mostly my cardboard was a bit small as well. Put that down the floor. Brand new bottle, pierced the top. Oh, it's already pierced, so don't worry about that. So we call that yeah, that'll do, won't it? We'll mix this shit up. Alrighty, that'll do. Put a bit of filler in there. Put the filler bit in the other places just so I can sort of see some filler needed. We'll have to get the cardboard back over at some point, but we'll let that go off, see what it's like. Maybe a little bit too much hardness, a bit less, it went off quite quickly. But hey ho, that's just my life. All over. So anyway, cheers for making me come out here. I really didn't feel like coming out. But yeah, should have a good time at the weekend, hopefully. I always say that, it always turns out bad. But yeah, technically on the cards I've got a bit of time out here, so we can crack on with this. I don't know if the weather's going to hold for a bit of primer and a bit of top coat inside the car. I'd love to get the engine bay and inside painted. Not too worried about the outside at the moment, that can be wait till a lot longer. Well, I don't want to wait too long. As I said, I think the weather's about to change soon, so I might have missed my window. But we shall see. Alright guys, till tomorrow, bye bye. And again, thanks for all the subscribers. I was just about to go past 9,000, which was amazing. I can't even believe that. Let's just have a quick look. What's it going to say? Oh, wow. Excellent. Well done guys, you saw that? That was live. So yeah, 9,000. Christ. We're only, guess what, we're only 1,000 away. I'm going to have to start looking for a car to give away soon.